In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the ElevenLabs Voice Lab. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, just pick one that you feel comfortable with. Once you have your browser open, you need to head over to the ElevenLabs website. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and log in to your account. Simply enter your credentials and you should be taken straight to your dashboard. Now that you are logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu is your gateway to all the features ElevenLabs has to offer. Among several options, you will see a tab labeled Voices. Go ahead and click on that tab. It's pretty straightforward, but it's where the magic happens. Once you click on the Voices tab, you'll be taken to the section where you can find the Voice Lab. This area is designed for exploring various voice options available in ElevenLabs. Take a moment to look around. You'll see that there are multiple voices you can choose from, each with its unique characteristics and styles. The Voice Lab is basically a creative playground where you can experiment with different voice settings and even hear samples. This is a great feature if you are brainstorming for a project or just want to have some fun listening to the different voices available. Feel free to click on any of the voices that catch your eye. You can hear previews of how they sound, and this can be incredibly useful for deciding which voice may be the right fit for your needs. As you explore the Voice Lab, you can also play with settings like pitch, tone, and speed, adjusting them to find the perfect voice that matches your project's requirements. Don't be shy about experimenting. The more you explore, the more you'll understand the capabilities at your disposal. Once you've found a voice that you really like, you can save it for future use or move forward with incorporating it into your project. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should have no problem navigating through the different features. If at any point you feel stuck or unsure about how to proceed, don't hesitate to check out the help section on the site. ElevenLabs often provides tutorials or FAQs that can help clarify any confusion you might have. Before you finish, I recommend taking a moment to dive back into the various voices again, just to ensure you found the one that really resonates with what you're working on. So there you have it. That's how you find the ElevenLabs Voice Lab and start exploring the various voices available. Remember, the more you practice and play around with these tools, the more adept you'll become at utilizing them for your own projects. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to check out more content, and don't